Alrighty, so let's get some practice problems done. I'm only going to do two of these, and I expect you to do the rest. If I do a third one, I won't show much on it. I'll just talk about it because I don't want you to just mindlessly copy it. So let's look at number one. Okay, number one says find the lateral surface area. Okay, and obviously our shape is a triangular prism. Okay, so today's video is about whoa, the surface. That was weird. So find the lateral surface area of a triangular prism. So I'm going to write that right here. LSA, because it's lateral surface area. As we said in class, the LISA. So we have the LISA of a T prism. That's short for triangular prism. So we have the LISA of a triangular prism, and our formula is perimeter times height. Now, reminder that perimeter is the distance around a base. Okay? And earlier I used the color green, so I'm going to stay consistent to that. I have the color green, the distance around. Alrighty. So the perimeter is the distance around the base. And then earlier I picked blue for height, and the height connects bases. All right. Technically that looks kind of funky. So I think I'm gonna get rid of that middle one, or I'll try to draw it a little better. There you go. That looks much better. Alrighty, so we have perimeter times height. The perimeter is the distance around the base. All right. And so we have here 5 plus 3 plus this bottom piece, which we see down here is 7. So it's 5 plus 3 plus 7. 5 plus 3 plus 7, which is 15. So we have 15 times our height. Well, what's connecting is 10.5. All right. And I think I'm going to write that here just so it lines up better. So we have 15 times 10.5, okay? And this is where you'd want to use your decimals calculator to figure out what 15 times 10.5 is, because most of you, including me, probably can't do that mentally. But when you do the math on decimals, 15 times 10.5 will give you 157.5. And this is centimeters, so it's centimeters squared. Beautiful. That wasn't so bad. But total surface area is a little bit of a different ball game. Okay, so make sure you're paying attention to that one. For total surface area, over here on number 2, it says find the total surface area, which means we have to find the tessa, okay, of a triangular prism, a T prism. Okay, and real quick, it's like real early in the morning, and I'm at home. So if you hear my son in the background, he's doing what a 3-year-old do. Just, it is what it is. But we have the perimeter times height plus 2 times area at the base. Now, you'll notice this triangular prism is the exact same as the one before. So it's the same rules. The perimeter is still the distance. Oh, yucky. I used the highlighter. Should have used this one. The perimeter is still the distance around the base. Okay. Perimeter is still the distance around the base. Height still connects the bases. Same rules there. But remember to shade in our bases. All right. So I just shaded it in yellow. Okay. So these are the parts we're going to need to succeed. Now, just to save a little space, our perimeter is still 5 plus 3 plus 7. like it was from before. So I'm going to write that over here. 5 plus 3 plus 7 gave us 15. Our height is still 10.5. Okay, still got that. But now we have plus 2 times area at the base. Now, reminder, our base shape is a triangle, and this is where triangular prisms become the hardest of the three shapes, just because it requires more work, not because it's in and of itself hard. So if the base shape is a triangle, we have really 2 times 1/2, little b, little h. Okay, little h. That was a little ugly. Let's see if I can rewrite that a little prettier. See if I can do it. I'm a big boy. I can do it. I can do it. I am a big boy. There we go. All right. So we have 2 times 1/2 base times height, because there's 2 bases, and if each one's formula is 1/2 base times height, whatever we get, we multiply by 2. So in this particular problem here, we have and I'm going to look just right here. Okay, I'm looking just there where I just circled that base, okay? So we have a base of the triangle. A base of the triangle is 7. The height of the triangle is 2. Again, we have a base of 7 on the triangle and a height of 2 on the triangle. Okay, I keep trying to write it and delete it just so that it's crystal clear where I'm looking. Base of the triangle is 7, height is 2. So what's 2 times 7? And you would tell me, well, that's 14. Well, what's half of 14? 7. So really, this is 2 times 7. The area of this base is 7, but there's 2 bases, so 7 times 2 is 14, right? So I'm just going to rewrite what I just said. In between here, we have 1/2 the base number of 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14, and 14 times 0.5, or a half, is 7 again. So really, we have 2 times 7. And 2 times 7 is 14. So if I was going to rewrite all of this again, I'd have 15 times 10.5 plus 14. Okay? Once again, you should use Desmos. And if you do, you'll get 171.5 centimeters squared. I think you're seeing triangular prisms will be a little harder than rectangular prisms. But the key step, once again, our key difference, is that 1/2 base times height. All right? So now I want to talk about number 6. I'm not going to draw too much, but I'm going to talk about number 6. It says the base of a triangular prism is shown below. If the height of the triangular prism is 12 centimeters, what is the lateral surface area? So it's asking you for Lisa of a triangular prism, which you know is perimeter times height. My recommendation is to make this 3 dimensions. And remember, the trick to making any shape 3 dimensions is putting another copy of that shape right on top or right below, and then connecting the corners. Now you can visually see the triangular prism, and you know the height is 12 centimeters. From there, you can do your lateral surface area. All right? When you finish this, put it in the next folder, which I believe is folder number 4, and get Dreambox done. You are loved, valued, cherished, respected, and appreciated, students. If you don't get all of it today, that is A-okay, because today is day 1. I just want y'all to keep learning. I will be back the next school day, and we will be successful together. Y'all have yourselves a blessed day. See you next time.